Facing the Microsoft Rewards subscription required lockout glitch. This video immediately fixes your Microsoft Rewards access problem. First, method 1, clear your browser's data. Open browser settings, navigate privacy, clear all cache and cookies for all time. This removes corrupted files. Restart browser, log back into Rewards. If that doesn't work, method 2 addresses account status. Go to your Microsoft account page, log in, review subscription and payment details. Ensure everything is current. Outdated cards trigger lockouts. Still locked. Method 3, use an in-private or incognito window. This clean session bypasses browser conflicts. Log into Rewards there to test. Finally, if all else fails, method 4, contact Microsoft support. Visit their website, describe your exact lockout glitch, provide account info. They'll perform a security breach review and offer direct resolution. One of these methods will get you earning rewards again.